iHomeEducate. As we grow, we know.
This is iHomeEducate. We've got a new pair of sneakers here. We've got the Jordan Flare for kids, or the youth man, the young'uns as you want to say. Anyway, we'll bust this thing open for you like that. Here you have a nice little color here, the Jordan Flare. So I'm sure that a lot of children are going to like the color, but here, why we especially like these type of sneakers is because for disabled children that have cerebral palsy, stuff like that, they can wear leg braces. The physiotherapist will give them leg braces to wear. So these are ideal for children that are disabled as well with cerebral palsy that wear leg braces, because you can open up here, and you see you can open here, and here you can put the leg braces to go in here and stand up easily and slip on the shoe easily as well. So it's quite a multifaceted shoe for children with disabilities and children without disabilities. And as you see, they're fully functional for beach wear, for for heat wear, or maybe around the house wear, which you feel like. And there's your grip right there. Especially when you want to walk all over that Jordan sign, walk all over this guy who claims to be the GOAT. Just walk all over him and wear that sign away, because he was the GOAT. You're the GOAT. We are the GOAT. Anyway, so this is the Jordan Flares, the children's ones. Do I recommend them? 100%. They look great. They're multifaceted for people with and without disabilities. They're loose, they look comfortable, and maybe I can dream, I can fly. And I said, they're for kids. Jordan Flare. This isn't a comedy show, by the way. I'm really a reviewer of shoes. Please take me seriously and press the subscribe button down below.